success.
Well, happy Tuesday, East Texas. Outside, as you can see, we've got those towering cumulus clouds building up as we check out our Grant and Flannery neighborhood WeatherNet site in Lufkin Middle School. Look at the cumulus clouds. A sign that more moisture is on the way. We could see some pop-up showers and storms developing. That is in the forecast for you as you head out the door. Partly cloudy skies, a few isolated showers today, about a 20% chance. But today is not the big rain maker. Heading into your Wednesday and Thursday, that's when rain chances really ramp up. And at the same time, we see some of those cooler temperatures arrive into the region. And yes, we're even watching the tropics. It's been a long time since we've been able to say that, but the Atlantic wave now has become our next tropical system. This is tropical depression number 4 in the central Atlantic. Winds of only 35 miles per hour now, but this thing continues to get better organized and is trekking off towards the west at about 13 miles per hour. You can see the latest spaghetti plot models here showing us expecting this thing to continue to move to the west, and conditions are somewhat favorable for this to kind of slowly develop and strengthen over the next 5 days or so as it travels off towards the west. In fact, the official Hurricane Center forecast takes this thing off towards the west and becomes a Category 2 hurricane as early as Sunday morning with winds of 100 miles per hour. And look at that. There are the Windward and Leeward Islands here off towards the west of there. And eventually, where does this thing go and what does it do after that? Well, it's too early to tell, but obviously this one bears watching as it's out there in the central Atlantic. So stay tuned. We'll have updates throughout the next several days. Outside downtown, some of those puffy cumulus clouds developing there as well with blue skies, but temperatures are climbing. We're at 88 degrees now, but that dew point at 70, a sign more moisture is in place. The only good news, we've got a breeze out of the south that's helping to kind of mix things up just a little bit across the region. 90 in Mineola, 86 Athens, 88 Nacogdoches, and 87. That's your current temperature in Lufkin. Storm Tracker Live Doppler radar, some clouds bubbling up towards the south. A few isolated spotty showers will be possible there today. While we've got a weak disturbance to the south and east that's kind of hanging around the area, could help to spark off an isolated storm or two, about a 20% chance. The big potent storm system we're waiting on that's going to bring us some increased rain chances, numerous showers and storms on Wednesday and Thursday across the Plain States. This thing is going to dive towards the south and really ramp up rain chances then. More on that in just a second, but here's a look at that forecast for the weather where you live this afternoon. Sulphur Springs 95, 93 Longview, 95 Athens, and 93 Nacogdoches, 94 in Lufkin with about a 20% chance of a pop-up storm or two. Now, what happens after today? That's what we're going to be talking about here. A few showers, 96 degrees for you with a light southeasterly wind. And then tonight, we'll see a few clouds. Temperatures drop down into the mid to upper 70s, but still not too bad. Tracking our next weather maker, though, this front dives in from the Plain States on Wednesday afternoon, picks up that Gulf of Mexico moisture, so showers and thunder showers look fairly likely Wednesday afternoon. Again on Thursday afternoon as we see that southeasterly flow coming in, and the thing hangs around even on Friday, so we still could see a spotty shower or storm. How much rainfall? Well, between now and the end of the week, how about a half an inch to an inch of rainfall with some isolated higher totals? That will be very beneficial, especially with the drought conditions and, of course, all the burn bans in place. So a 20% chance of a spotty shower today, 96. Rain chances go up to 50% for your Wednesday and Thursday. Highs near 90 Wednesday. Look at that, Jennifer. Highs only into the mid to upper 80s on Thursday with the extra clouds and the rainfall around. We dry things out and heat things back up for the weekend, but a new front brings us more rain chances by the beginning of next week. So a very active forecast, and of course, we'll be keeping an eye on the tropics as well.
All right. Thank you so much, Cedric.